Good morning, everybody. So, today's plan is to go to Shenzhen. Like I said in the last video, I missed China so much that I'm going back only for one day. Not even one day, like a half a day. So, we're taking the high speed train from Kualong West train station all the way to Futian, which is like the main station in the middle of Shenzhen. Let's see how it goes. It seems that today is a sunny day. And I'm of course running late, so I hope I don't miss the train because I have to take two trains, one to the main station and the other to Futian. It's packed. So just past security. It's the exact same as the airport. I mean, low, at least a little, not too hard as the airport. And now I'm going, I think, to the trains. But before I have to like go to immigration because even though I'm still in China, it's Chinese territory. I'm going to mainland China, which is a different thing. I don't know. It's weird stuff. Past immigration, it was also quick because I can just scan my passport in a machine and just go. But when I want to enter, I have to go to the like immigration guys, like manually, no automatization. I don't know why. So they let you go automatically. So like just go. When you try to enter, it's like more of a manual process. Maybe it's because of security. I don't know. I hope I can enter when I come back from Shenzhen. That was a close call. I didn't realize I have to go through migration like at the airport. It was such a long queue. I started sweating, man. I thought that I was losing the train, but no, what we did it. Please board immediately. Let's board. Look at how massive the train station is. I mean, I don't know why, but I'm excited to be in China again. I mean, mainland China. Remember, everything is China. So, plan now is to go get some breakfast, and then we go directly to the biggest tech market in China, probably, and in Shenzhen, of course. I noticed one thing. I've been walking like for 45 minutes and haven't seen one single 7-Eleven. Not a single one. I'm getting stressed right now. So I found a convenience store, got some water. Now I'm heading to the metro station to go to that place. this one is crazy.
Antique replica.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to try? You can wear the gloves and
Yeah,
the.
yeah, it's okay. Mm-hmm. Well, the market was impressive, but not as impressive as I thought. Maybe I was in the wrong one because in TikTok I saw another one that was like big, like you had the hallway and everything. I was walking down the street and I saw this. This is the big ass drones. This is the real thing. This is the real drones. Man, I wish I could have one. Like drive to, I don't know, to work. It just really looked like a military drone. Damn. Damn. This one is crazy. And they even have the laser weapon system. This thing right here, it's such a crazy weapon. It tracks down rockets and then it destroys them with a laser. Crazy. I think this one is a lidar system, lidar sensor, the ones you have in your iPhone. They have everything your heart desires, everything. It's crazy, man. Like literally every single item in the world that you can imagine, it's here. I had to get myself a bubble tea as the grown ass man that I am. I expected the city to have flying drones, Robocop police, people jumping with super suits, but it's just a normal city. It could be Madrid, for example, or Barcelona, or Frankfurt. I want to get a haircut because my hair was like way too messy, and I had the guts to get a haircut in a foreign country without knowing the language, and I hoped for the best. So you guys let me know. Is it good? Did I get cooked? I think it's good. I told him, sorry, to just give me a buzz cut. That's it. I showed him a few pictures, and from there on, he started working. I think it's good. I paid 45 yuan, 5 euros. Pretty good. I'm at the train station again in how is it called? Furian, something like that. Shenzhen. Now I'm heading to the train. Man, I'm so tired, and it's like 3 p.m. Not even. It's like 2:30 p.m. We'll get home, get some work done, get the editing ready, and let's see the evening what awaits for us. So just past Chinese immigration, which means I left China within Hong Kong. Now I have to enter Hong Kong again within Hong Kong. So just came back to the apartment. I will get a quick shower, work, edit, and then we can head out for the evening food. The last meal, well, the last dinner here in Hong Kong, thank God. And very excited again for the next location. I will let you guys guess where it's going to be. It's further south. Today's ultra super humble dinner. Got scrambled eggs, broccoli, some rice, some how is it called again? I forgot the name. Some seafood and barbecue sauce with our great companion, the bubble tea. That's it. So I spent the last 3 to 4 hours getting everything cleaned, preparing all my stuff. Everything is messy. I just washed some of my t-shirts. Thank God for that wash machine, man. Really helped a lot. And now it's packing, and I'm leaving in 6 hours, 6 to 7, 6, 7. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this trip, for this trip part in Hong Kong. I will also go now to the street and check the street for one last time. I don't know if I will come back here. Maybe sometime in the future. And yeah, it was a great time. Really interesting. So I just went for a peaceful walk at the Victoria Harbour. Man, I used to pray for moments like this. Look where we are now. That's why consistency is key. Everything that you plan to do, everything that you want to do in the future is possible. You just have to, first of all, be patient. Second of all, work hard. And third of all, never give up. So consistency is key. And yeah, that's it. That's my message for today. We're leaving tomorrow morning for the next adventure, which is going to be Hanoi, Vietnam. Little spoiler. And I'm really excited. It's going to be 37 degrees tomorrow, so I'm not prepared. Also, another advice, humble advice from my humble experience, is to take that decision and don't wait for anyone. For example, me could have waited for someone to do the trip with. I decided not to wait for anyone, and also not to ask too much to my friends, because I knew if I was waiting for anyone to do the trip with me, I would never do it, because every other person in my circle has its own life, its own problems. So that's why, again, never wait for someone to do something, just do it yourself. And go ahead, face the challenge, go out of the comfort zone, very important, because otherwise you will never learn. That's a very important thing. Always look for the uncomfortableness in things. Never look for comfort. Never, because otherwise you will never learn anything. If you were to stay in the same place forever, you'll never advance. I know it sounds the most easiest thing and the most simplest thing, but that's reality. Most of us never take that step, because we're always scared of what is going to happen. Oh my God, I don't know, I may fail. A failure is a failure. It's never a failure itself. The true failure is not trying it, not doing it, not taking the step. But if you fail at something that you wanted to do, that's a lesson. Very important lesson. That's why I never see that as a failure itself. One could say that you failed, but is it really a failure? If you took the step and tried and faced what scares you the most. That's why, again, always face your problems, always look for new things, new adventures, never back down, never stay in the comfort zone for too long. Comfort zone is good, to regenerate some energy, but never stay there for too long, because you will never learn and you will always stay in the same place. And yeah, as the comfort zone, as the name says, it's comfort, but that's it. You'll never learn. I swear to you guys, the moment you take that step, the moment you take that decision, the moment you go out of the comfort zone, it feels a lot better. Way better. When you realize the things that you could have missed if you didn't take that step. That's why I'm just realizing I'm repeating the same thing again and again, but I think you understand the message. So leave the comfort zone and don't wait for anyone.